Today we will discuss about rights and duties of an auditor. Okay, an auditor is an independent professional who is responsible for examining the financial statements of an organization and providing an opinion on their accuracy and reliability. Okay, who is auditor? Auditor is an independent professional. What is his duty? He is responsible for examining the financial statements of an organization, and also he have to provide an opinion on the accuracy and reliability of the financial statements. Okay, the role of an auditor is crucial in maintaining the integrity of financial reporting and ensuring that the company is in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Okay, in this paragraph what is he explaining? The role of an auditor is crucial part. Okay, about what? Maintaining the integrity of financial reporting and ensuring that the company is compliance with applicable laws and regulations. So you have to check the company financial statements follow applicable laws and regulations. Okay, we will discuss in detail. Okay, the following are the rights and duties of an auditor along with practical examples. Okay, for better understanding. First of all, we discuss about rights of an auditor. First right, do you know the right meaning? Right. Okay, first right is access to records. An auditor has the right to access all the records and documents related to the financial transaction of an organization. Okay, this includes bank statements, invoices, receipts, contracts and other relevant documents related to what? Related to the financial transactions of an organization. Remember that. For example, during an audit, an auditor may request access to the company's bank statements to verify the accuracy of the financial transactions recorded in the books. So it's a first right, access to records. Next, second right, access to personnel. Access to personnel, not personal, personnel. An auditor has the right to interview any employee of the organization to gather information or clarity any doubts related to the financial statements. Okay, auditor has the right to interview any employee of the organization to gather information or clarify any doubts related to the financial statements. So now you got clarity about personnel. Personnel means employees and workers in the organization. Okay, for example, during an audit, an auditor may interview the employees responsible for maintaining the inventory records to verify the accuracy of the inventory allocation. So he can interview the employees who are responsible for maintaining the inventory records to verify the accuracy of the inventory valuation. It's a simple understanding language, you can easily understood. Okay, next, third right to obtain information. An auditor has the right to request any additional information or explanation from the management related to the financial statements. Okay, right to obtain information about what? About the related to the financial statements. Okay, for example, during an audit, an auditor may request the management to provide additional information about the nature and extent of any contingent liabilities. So it also one right to obtain information. Next, we will discuss about duties of an auditor. Now we will discuss about duties of an auditor. First duty, professional skepticism. Professional skepticism. An auditor has a duty to maintain a skeptical attitude throughout the audit process and to question any transactions or practices that appear unusual or inconsistent. Okay, the auditor has the duty to maintain skeptical attitude throughout the audit process. Okay, he has to duty that question any transactions or practices that appear unusual or inconsistent. If the auditor seen any transaction or practices that is unusual or inconsistent, so he has to question for that. So it is a duty. For example, an auditor may question the management's decision to recognize revenue from a long-term project in the current year based on the uncertainty surrounding the completion of the project. Okay, next duty, independence. An auditor has a duty to maintain independence in both appearance and fact and to avoid any conflicts of interest that may compromise their objectivity. Okay, so independence means what? An auditor has the duty to maintain independence in both appearance and fact. So he has to maintain independence in both appearance and fact and to avoid any conflicts of interest that may compromise their objectivity. For example, an auditor may decline to accept an audit engagement if they have provided any non-audit services to the same client. Okay, which may create a conflict of interest. Have you understood? Have you understood or not? Simple example with the simple concept. Notes is very easy. Okay, an auditor may decline to accept an audit engagement. When he is declined to accept an audit engagement, if they have provided any non-audit services to the same client. For example, some auditor provide audit services and also non-audit services. For example, income tax services or legal services or any other beneficial services. Then he provide. Then he may got confusion whether to audit actual audit or he may see some personal benefit from them. Okay, that benefit not arrived. That's why an auditor may decline to accept an audit engagement if they have provided any non-audit services to the same client, which may create a conflict of interest. So it's a simple term, it may create a conflict of interest. Next, third duty, due professional care. An auditor has duty to exercise due professional care in planning and performing the audit procedures and to obtain sufficient and appropriate evidence to support their opinion. Okay, for example, an auditor may perform a physical inventory count to obtain direct evidence about the existence and condition of the inventory to support their opinion on the accuracy of the inventory valuation. Okay, what is the third duty? Due professional care. That means you have to support the opinion on the accuracy of the inventory valuation with physical verification. Okay, next, ultimate conclusion. The rights and duties of an auditor are crucial in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the financial statements of an organization. By exercising their rights and fulfilling their duties, auditors can help maintain the integrity of financial reporting and enhance the confidence of stakeholders in the organizations. Okay, this is the rights and duties of an auditor. Okay, thank you.